Alright, in this video I'm going to show you a small piece of Lisp code which should be in your Emacs initialization file, that is in .emacs or init.el. The purpose of this small Lisp code is to kick off the server. If you run Emacs as daemon, which will certainly help to spin up the client much quicker and faster way. To get it that, so you have to have some 2-3 lines of Lisp code in your initialization file. So if the server or daemon is not kicked off by some other means, so when you first invoke the Emacs client, it will kick off the server, Emacs server. From then onwards, all other client spawning will become much faster. Okay, so I'm repeating again, if you haven't started the Emacs daemon or server in some other way, this piece of code will allow you, when you kick off your first Emacs instances, to start the server. Okay, so without further ado, let me get into my Emacs. So I have extracted the line from my Emacs. So these two lines are required. So first of all, it should be load the server. Then unless, it's pretty self-explanatory, right? Unless the server is running, so it will kick off the server. As simple as that. Okay, the idea behind it, if this is the third time I'm saying the same thing, right? Just to make sure that it get etched into your head. That's why I'm repeating the same thing, because it's important stuff. If the Emacs daemon or server not started by some other means, like I started my Emacs daemon when I get into i3. Okay, after booting. So once I get into my i3 environment, the Emacs daemon gets kicked off. Okay, so if you haven't done so or some other means, then this is the only way. Whatever that you are seeing on the screen, this two line has to be inducted in your .emacs or init.el file. So first time when you launch the Emacs client, and if it says that the server is not running or daemon is not running, it will simply start it behind the scene. So next time onward, if you spin up any Emacs client, it will become much faster and easier. So it's pretty simple, pretty easy. If you wanted to use this code, you can look into my .file repo in GitHub, which contain my .emacs file, and this piece of code is inside that file. I have extracted out from there. Okay, so I hope it will be useful to some people. Thanks for watching.